Welcome to DAP for Do. Hope you are all doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful Mandap and Jhula for Krishna Ji, where you can utilize it in multiple purposes for coming festivals. So let's get started. I have these pizza boxes which are in octagon shape, where there are holes on all the four sides, and other box I'll use for the top, wherein I wanted an open top, so I am cutting the smaller shape of octagon for the top portion. Now for the bottom, I will bring all the holes flap on top, and the other ones I will seal with the help of tape so that it will be fixed tightly. You can insert any papers for further grip. With the help of craft knife, I am making small incisions in the holes to insert the sticks. These are the dandiya sticks, wooden sticks. You can always use paper rolls as well if you don't have these sticks. So now I am covering this box with the help of silver paper. I am just applying clear tape, and on the edges I am neatly folding them and sticking together, just as we pack any kind of gifts. Wrap it. And for the top as well, I am using the clear tape to stick on all the sides. Make sure that the inner portion is also covered neatly, as it will be visible. Now make diagonal insertion as shown in the video, so that we can cover the center portion as well with these flaps. When you cut like this, the outer portion will have a nice and neat finish. So stick everything with the help of clear. So this is how it is. Now to decorate it further, I am taking a same golden strip and decorating it on the edges, and I have made a small octagon for the base center also. For the sticks, I have used the same paper. I have cut a small ribbon and I am rolling it up. The edges can be secured either with hot glue or clear tape, as I have did in this video. To decorate it further, I made a thin strip of gold and I am just rolling it in a spiral way. Till now, if you are liking the video, please hit the like button. So now for the Jhula, I am using the mobile box, and these are the old pencils I am using here. So I have cut the edges diagonally for the top portion, and I am sticking it up with the hot glue to make a frame for the top of the Jhula. Now I have cut small pieces of the pencil so that we can have the frame of the Jhula. So make sure that all the sticks are in the same length and size. Now I will fix the top portion like this. This is how the frame is ready. So I have primed it up with white color. Now I am applying the metallic silver color. Neatly cover all the edges from inside and outside also. Now for the bottom of the Jhula, I am just using the gold wrapping paper as well here. I have cut the paper little lengthier so that I can cover the bottom to have a very neat finish of it. So just stick it with the help of glue. And for the frame of the Jhula also, I am just wrapping this strip of gold to follow the theme. The bottom is also covered neatly. So now it is ready. For tying the Jhula to the stands, I am just poking some nails on top of these sticks. These are the places where we have to insert these sticks. If you don't have holes on your box, you can go ahead and stick them with any heavy duty glue where it can stand properly. Now I am adding glue, hot glue on the edges of it, and I am sticking two sides. Then I will attach the Jhula with the help of thin copper wire. This is thin, however it will be very strong, and I have attached it on four edges of these sticks. You can see that the Jhula is nicely swinging. I have these bells wherein I have stringed it up with little copper wire, and I will stick them with the help of sticky tape on all the 8 sides of this box. This is how the Mandap and the Jhula is ready. You can place this Jhula Mandap on any of the puja places and place Kanhaji's idol and worship it. If you don't want this Jhula, or if you want this Mandap to be used for another festivals like Ganesh Chathuri and all, you can just remove the Jhula portion and use this Mandap as well for the upcoming festivals. You can place any idol and you can offer the prayers. So I've placed the Ganesh ji's idol to have an idea for you all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed today's video, please hit the like, share and subscribe. Namaste.